To exercise a call option on Moomoo, you need to understand the basics of options trading and the platform's interface. A call option gives you the right to buy an underlying asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price. First, log into your Moomoo account and navigate to the trading page. Locate the options section and find the call option you want to exercise. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of exercising the option. Next, review the option details, including the strike price, expiration date, and underlying asset. Verify that the current market price of the underlying asset is above the strike price, making the option in the money. To exercise the call option, click on the Trade button and select the exercise option. You will be prompted to confirm the details of the exercise, including the number of contracts and the strike price. Review the information carefully and confirm the exercise. Once you have exercised the call option, Moomoo will automatically execute the trade and deliver the underlying asset to your account. You can then decide to sell the asset or hold it in your portfolio. It is essential to keep in mind that exercising a call option will result in the purchase of the underlying asset, which will affect your portfolio's value and risk profile. Always assess your financial situation and investment goals before making any trading decisions. Additionally, be aware of the expiration date of the option, as it will expire worthless if not exercised before the expiration date. It is also crucial to understand the fees associated with exercising a call option on Moomoo, including commission fees and other charges. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts of options trading, you can effectively exercise a call option on Moomoo and make informed investment decisions. Always prioritize risk management and trade responsibly.